After years of research on developing a winning mindset, let me tell you the ways to do it, and also what I do every day to strengthen mind. In fact, this is the single most important skill to win from any situation in life. Life isn't about discovering yourself, it's about building yourself. Every day you have a choice. Be a victim or a victor. You can let circumstances dictate your fate, or you can take charge and shape your destiny. The pain you experience today will become your strength tomorrow. Pain isn't something to fear, it's something to embrace. It's the best teacher you'll ever have. When you feel like giving up, remember that pain is temporary, but quitting lasts forever. I've been in the darkest corners of my mind feeling trapped with no escape, but I found a way out, and so can you. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. It will never arrive. Take action now. Get up, get moving, and pursue your goals. Push beyond your limits because that's where growth occurs. It's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you rise again. Do something every day that challenges you. Face your fears directly. In those uncomfortable moments, you discover who you truly are. It's not about winning or losing. It's about never giving up. It's about discovering what you're made of. When your mind tells you you're done and can't go any further, you're only at 40% of your true potential. Don't listen to that inner voice trying to hold you back. Push through the pain, push through the doubt, and you'll find greatness on the other side. Remember, greatness isn't about being the best. It's about being better than you were yesterday. It's about continuous improvement, relentless drive, and an unbreakable spirit. You are your own biggest obstacle, but also your greatest weapon. So dig deep, stay strong, and never give up. You have the potential to achieve greatness. The only question is, how badly do you want it? Go out there and show the world what you're made of. Stay strong. Think about your why. Why do you do what you do? What's driving you? What's that fire inside you? If you don't know your why, you'll never survive the tough times. You need something that will push you through when everything else tells you to quit. Your why must be stronger than your excuses. It must be more powerful than your pain. You need to develop a resilient mindset. Resilience is forged through adversity, hardship, and suffering. It's not about avoiding the storms. It's about learning to dance in the rain. Embrace the struggle because that's where you find your strength. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Every failure is a lesson in disguise. Don't shy away from failure. Run towards it. Learn from it. Grow from it. Each time you fall, you get back up stronger, wiser, and more determined. Let me tell you something. Self-discipline is your best friend. It's the bridge between goals and achievement. It's what separates the good from the great. When you don't feel like doing it, that's when you need to do it the most. Your body and mind will always seek the easy way out. Your task is to overcome those obstacles, to push beyond them, to conquer them. You have far more potential than you realize. This untapped potential is often hidden by self-doubt and fear. But here's the reality. Fear is deceptive, and doubt steals your opportunities. They hold only as much power as you give them. Confront them directly and you'll discover they can't control you. Dedicate yourself to improving every single day. Small actions lead to significant changes. Consistency triumphs over intensity. Show up, put in the effort, and results will follow. There are no shortcuts or magic solutions, only hard work, commitment, and a relentless drive for excellence. Surround yourself with individuals who challenge you, push you, and inspire you. Eliminate negativity, doubt, and the naysayers from your life. You don't need their energy. You need people who believe in you, see your potential, and hold you accountable. You have to desire success more than you fear it. Desire it more than you fear failure, judgment, or pain. Be prepared to pay the price, make sacrifices, and invest the time. Greatness isn't handed out, it's earned. So what are you waiting for? Go out and earn it. Your future self depends on it. Your dreams await you. Don't disappoint them. Stay resilient, stay focused, and never stop pushing forward. You're here because you aspire to more in life. You won't settle for mediocrity or being average. You're pursuing something bigger and greater. And that pursuit isn't for the faint-hearted. It's for the warriors, the grinders, the ones who refuse to settle. Understand this fundamental truth. Your mind is the battlefield. The war is won or lost there. The limits you perceive are often self-imposed. You must rewire your brain to believe that you can push further, endure more, and achieve anything you set your mind to. This process is challenging, but nothing worth having ever comes easy. Look in the mirror. The person staring back at you is your toughest competitor. It's not the other contestants or the obstacles. It's you. Master yourself and you'll master your life. Each time you see your reflection, remind yourself of who you are. You're a fighter, a survivor, relentless and unstoppable. Consistency is the key. It's not about making one giant leap. It's about the daily grind and the small wins that accumulate over time. Every day you need to put in the effort. Discipline means doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it, especially when you don't feel like it. These moments define you and build your character. Consider the legacy you want to leave behind. Think about the story you want to tell. Is it a story of someone who quit when things got tough? Or is it a story of someone who faced every challenge, never backed down, and achieved greatness against all odds? Every decision you make today shapes that story. Make it a story worth telling. Remember, the easiest day was yesterday. Today is a new day, a new opportunity to push yourself, challenge yourself, and be better than you were yesterday. Embrace the grind because that's where the magic happens. Embrace the struggle because that's where you find your true strength. Don't forget to celebrate your progress. Celebrate the small victories and the milestones along the way. They are proof that you're moving in the right direction and capable of more. Use them as fuel to keep going, pushing and striving for greatness. Stay connected to your goals, keep your vision clear, and don't lose sight of why you started. The road will be tough, but the destination is worth every bit of effort. You're not just doing this for yourself. You're doing this to inspire others, to show them what's possible when you refuse to give up. So get out there, conquer your doubts, face your fears, and unleash the warrior within. Your time is now. Your moment is here. Seize it. Own it. Live it.